Okay, this is the finished look ng ating 3-minute makeup challenge. I think if I were to rate it, I would actually say 7 or 8 out of 10. Ang dami ko lang mga unblended areas, guys. So, let me fix that. If I had like 3 more minutes to do what di ba mas kalma na? Kasi if I had 3 more minutes, you know, I would actually add a highlight sa aking nose just to give me the illusion na mas matangos yung ilong ko. Like so. Tapos, what do you call this? Lalagyan ko din yung kilay ko dito sa end para magpantay sila. But I feel like I did a not that bad of a job for 3 minutes. Hindi ako nag-expect, but not bad. Iko-correct ko din siya para mag-shape siya dun sa... Para mas mag-shape lang siya ng maayos. And then, pinakamali ko is yung bronzer ko. I have a lot of unblended areas. So, what I would do is actually, sasampalin ko na lang sarili ko. And then I would just really go back and forth like that. Maybe even go with the powder to just really smooth out any areas na hindi ko naayos na mabuti. Also brightening my under eyes a little bit. And then, yung aking blush, not bad, naayos ko naman siya. Ngayon, I'm just gonna curl my lashes a little bit more. Para mas mukha lang akong awake. Ayan. Do you see the difference? And also, what I would do talaga for me na mas makakatulong sa akin, lip liner, just to really define. Kasi hindi ko nakulayan masyado yung lips ko. Ayan. Gabi, ang hirap ng challenge na to. Tapos parang tarantang-taranta ka kasi ang gulo pa ng makeup bag ko. Ganon. So, eto, at least, feeling ko kapag 5-minute makeup challenge, kakayanin ko siya eh. There are 3 minutes? It's too much, you know? And yeah, I'm just gonna blend all the other areas that might just look a bit too harsh. Parang feeling ko napasobra lang talaga yung ibang areas ko. And then, highlighter, again, I'm gonna add a little bit more highlight on the nose area. Here. 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 And that's all the fixes I would do. But yeah, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Did I do pretty decent? I feel like I did a pretty good job. Just minor retouches. I mean, if I can add a little bit more mascara, I will. Dahil naman meron pa tayong konting oras. Just to really define the eyebrows. The eyelashes. But yeah, this is the 3-minute makeup challenge done right. If I had more time. Actually, you know what? I would wear this makeup outside kapag nagmamadali ako. Yes, isusuot ko to in fair. Ang galing.